Powerful Mind works using a special substance called biological gold, sourced from the high altitudes of the Himalayan mountains. By taking biological gold and other ingredients in Powerful Mind, you can purportedly support brain health and overall cognition in multiple ways. The goal of Powerful Mind's formula is to strengthen your brain's signaling pathways. When you're young, your brain is like a sponge. Your signaling pathways are active, and it's easy to absorb information, learn new things, and stay focused. As you get older, your memory declines, and your ability to recall information drops. Powerful Mind aims to reverse these effects by supercharging your brain power. The supplement doesn't just claim to restore your brain health to the point it was when you were younger. Instead, you could make your brain better than ever, according to Sather Nutrition.